Roger Rathod of Gujarat, Saurabh Rawat of Uttarakhand, Gurpinder Singh of Punjab, Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh, Krishna Kumar Vishwakarma of Madhya Pradesh, Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh, Rahul Paul of Uttarakhand, Miragul Venkat of Andhra Pradesh. The 3000-meter men under 20 national record stands in the name of Ajay Kumar Patel at 8 minutes 09.97 seconds, created in June 2008.
This was the lineup for men under 3000 meter finals. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the result for women under 3000 meter run. To present the medal, I call Shri Somnath Mali, Technical Director, World Athletics bronze medal, together with the medal winners. The bronze medal goes to Nitrani Bhoya of Maharashtra, the performance of 9 minutes 45.24 seconds. The silver medal goes to Shilpa Dola of Gujarat with the performance of 9 minutes 44.56 seconds. And the gold medal goes to Solan Tala of Madhya Pradesh with the performance of 9 minutes 44.16 seconds. Wait. Just a minute.
And that was the start of the fourth event on day 3 of the 39th National Junior Athletics Championship here at Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, organized by Sports and Youth Services Department, Government of Odisha, in collaboration with Odisha Athletics Association. The event underway is 3000 meter run for men under 20 years. That is Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh, who is in front. Rahul Pal of Uttarakhand in the second. Presently, it is Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh who is in front. Rahul Pal closely following him from Uttarakhand for the second position. R. Yogeshwar of Tamil Nadu who is in the third. Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh in the fourth. 12 athletes are taking part over there in this event. Yes, the leader moves fast. Here we could see Rahul Pal of Uttarakhand taking over as the leader, who was occupying the second position, is now in front. Yes, that is Rahul Pal of Uttarakhand in front. Presently in the second position, it is Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh. R. Yogeshwar of Tamil Nadu is occupying the third position at present. And there we could see visibly they are increasing the speed. The pace is getting increased as they will have to go only for 4 more laps. 4 of the athletes constitute the top bunch. And now there is a change in the leadership. It is a kind Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh moving in front. Four of the athletes, they move together, and that is Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh, who is very much in front. In the second position presently, it is Rahul Pal of Uttarakhand. In the third, it is R. Yogeshwar of Tamil Nadu. Four of the athletes, they will have to move for 3 more laps. They are the leaders. They are led by Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh. Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh still maintaining the lead and in front. In the second position, it is Rahul Pal of Uttarakhand. In the third, it is R. Yogeshwar of Tamil Nadu. Fourth, Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh. They will have to go for 2 more laps. Well, 600 meters more to go for the leaders of this 3000 meter men under 20 years. Well, it is a great privilege to invite here for the final of this 3000 meters, Mr. Milind Wagle. Sir, we welcome you, sir.
Good morning, Muthu, and it's a wonderful Monday morning with the last lap here now approaching. In the lead is Rahul Verma. He is representing Chhattisgarh. We got a close bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4. Might look at a change in the lead. Rahul Verma holding on. And along with him, you got Rahul Pal of Uttarakhand. Oh, now look at that. Look at that break coming up now. From the inside, he was boxed together. He's now come good. Is Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh. He's stealing the show, but there are the 2 others. They will not give up, I can assure you. One of them will be Mohit Yadav. The other would be Rahul Verma. There they go once again. He looks over his shoulder. Is Mohit Yadav strong again? The last 70 odd meters. He's being chased down the throat by 1997, and that is Rahul Verma, was it? But look at the watch now. Is 1074, which is Mohit Yadav from Madhya Pradesh. So Muthu, 4 of them together, you can't have a better start in the morning to an event of the nature of the 3000 meters, with 4 of them virtually together in the final of 300 meters. And then one of them had to steal the show. It was Rahul Pal, was it, of Uttarakhand? No, it was 1074, which is Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh. So there you are, ending the 3000 meters. But some of the others will continue to go through. They still have 1 more lap to go. And that's the beauty between number 1 and some of the others. 14 started this morning in the men's under 20 3000 meters.
Yes, Wagle sir, it was Rahul Verma of Chhattisgarh who was leading all through. Almost 90% of the laps he was the leader. And who finished for the first, that is Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh, was maintaining only the 4th position all along. At no point of time he even climbed better than the 4th one, but in the last lap he opened up, and that too in the last few meters, not full lap, and he opened up and he has exhausted all the energy what he had reserved in the earlier laps. It was a wonderful race by Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh to burst out in the last few meters. I hope it was almost only in the last 150 meters.
Yes, that's what sports is all about. You could be leading for virtually 99.9% of the event, the race, and then someone else has other ideas. Just mentioned about the winner of this event, Mohit Yadav, going on to steal the show. I keep on using that word. After staying in the fourth position, he had a tactical race, conserved his energy, looked at the three in front of them, made sure, Muthu, that the difference between 1 and 4, that's him, was not much, because the moment the difference is much, then psychologically you feel that I'm not going to make it. So he ensured that he was absolutely close, breathing down their neck, breathing down their throat, and ultimately in the last 300 meters, it all started happening between the four of them. Trust me, I don't think anyone would have said that X would be number 1, Y would be number 2, and so on and so forth. But Rahul Yadav certainly came up, Rahul Verma, correction, certainly came up with his A plan, and that A plan worked in the end.
Yes, that was absolutely correct. Mohit Yadav of Madhya Pradesh had a follow-up race, and he was maintaining only position 4, and from position 4, as Vagle sir said, he was able to gauge the performance and the energy what the 3 front runners have. So he bursted out in the last 300 meters, picking up the speed and being the leader, and absolutely towards the finish. Undisputed finish for him. There was no threat close to him. He exhausted all the energy which had been reserved all through the race.
So 8:16.84 for Mohit Yadav. Rahul Pal was in second, 8:17.87, representing Uttarakhand, and